Hello, today I'm going to show you how to draw scenes with Illuminations. When the new year fireworks, cookies are around us, it's time to be happy and draw something cozy and shining. On this occasion, I drew this picture to share with you the things that helped me create something like this. So, the first step will be a sketch. For someone, a sketch is a scary thing, but it's actually fun. My main tip for this is to increase the size of the canvas, like this, and draw the basic shapes of your drawing. Don't worry about the quality of the lines, let it be the way you want it. Step 2. After you finish drawing the sketch, it's time to choose the main colors. And this is where you need to take care of perfection. Remember that it is more comfortable to draw each new object on a new layer. Another important thing is how your objects are located, how close or far from the viewer's view. What is closer to us, but not in the focus of attention, is darker and not so bright. The next one, which is closer, but already in focus, is bright and, of course, darker than the second one that is far away. The next thing I think about is how best to show all the lights on the scene. Here we will use contrast, because in the dark it is better to see the light coming from the window. I choose this color, something like blue-purple. I add a new layer above each object. Fill it with this color and turn the layer into a multiply mode. So we did it, turn day into night. Now think about where the light comes from, what color is it? In my case, it is warm glow from windows and streets. Each light has its own path. For example, this house doesn't allow the light to travel further, just like Santa, so I can use a contrast effect to make Santa stand out more clearly. The next thing I do is add details to the drawing and also show how the light is diffused. After all, the light is reflected from the small particles that are in the air, and it really looks natural, like a glowing colored fog. With this colored fog, art looks more beautiful. Look how different these images are. We continue to draw, thinking about how light interacts with objects. I create new layers in Add Glow mode and draw these interactions. For example, if light shines from this window, then it should also reflect on the roof of the house and also on Santa. If there are lights on the snow, then the color of the snow moves to warm colors, so it becomes more pink. I hope this helped you to improve your art. I used to these advices and to draw illustrations with them much more easier. Good luck and subscribe.